just got back from my trip from London, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna talk about the fragrances I got. I actually picked up 8 fragrances. Now, one of them was the Salvatore Ferragamo fragrance that I smelled at Harrods. It's from their private collection. I didn't buy that one there. However, I looked and Joma Shop had it for $80. So that one should be arriving tomorrow. So look out for a video of that in the near future. The ones I do have currently, I picked up a Moncler. This is Sunrise. Yep, Sunrise Pome. It's supposed to be brand new. It just came out this last month, or so they told me. I don't know anything about it. This is actually my first Moncler, but my gosh, it smells amazing. It's a fresh aquatic, smells very similar to Elysium. Love it. I've already worn it, wore it overseas, and it came with 2 shower gels. So I got this. It is the Pome shower gel of the same scent, and I got a dop kit that came with it too. So super happy to have that. On top of that, Harrods loaded me up with samples. So I have tons of Xerjoff samples and Roja perfume samples, Moncler samples, you name it, it's in here. I love it. And by saying name it, those are the only 3 I got. So Moncler, Roja, and Xerjoff. I wasn't say Elysium. So super happy with that. They just kept giving them. Now, at the airport, you have to spend your coins because, again, they're notes for the pound for like the single, and the double are a coin. So I wanted to spend them. So I found this Clinique Happy, which is the one that everyone keeps asking me to review. So got this one. Haven't smelled it yet. Maybe I'll unbox in this video. We'll see. I also picked up 24 Gold, which is one I've wanted for years. But by the time I went to go buy it, it was gone. Couldn't find it on discounters anywhere. This is supposed to be an amazing oud fragrance. I found it at like one of those just local fragrance stores over, actually, I think I got it in Glasgow. So kind of like how we have those fragrance galleries at like your mall. It was one of those, and they were carrying this. Next, at the same place, I picked up Armani Diamonds. So I talk about this a lot. This is actually the first high-end designer fragrance I ever got back in the day. I have not smelled it in probably 10 years, maybe longer. Super excited to smell this one again. This used to be my scent and my signature scent. Glad to get it back in the arsenal. I used to love this one. So next, brand new from JPG, it is Lover. I could not find Paradise Garden anywhere. Yes, I only checked at Harrods and the airports and some fragrance stores. I didn't go to everywhere to see if they had it. I did look at Boots, didn't see it there either. Whatever, I couldn't find Paradise Garden anywhere. But when I was leaving out of Heathrow, they had this. So I put it on my skin, and if I'm honest, it smelled really good. Fresher version of Lamal. I thought, you know what? Sure, let's get it. It's supposed to be limited edition, and who knows if we'll get it over here. So I thought, let's get it. And then finally, or not finally, sorry. I'm so sorry, I forgot about this one. I have been wanting to get Hal Fetti for a long time, but it's so pricey. So I went to a Penhaligons in London, told them that, and they actually recommended this. It is a fragrance oil version. It's still 100 mils. It still smells incredible. It smells identical. And it's in a spray bottle, same as the regular fragrances, but it costs 65 pounds instead of the 200 and I think 40 pounds it normally costs. So I picked it up. I thought, you know what? Why not? Let's get it. Seems like a cool idea. Hopefully I like it. And then finally, and I've already done an unboxing, which hopefully has been live by now, I got this exclusive from Harrods, from Xerjoff. You can only get it at Harrods. It was made, it's called 6th Floor. Check out that bottle. It is very bougie. I just thought I wanted something special. So I think this is the most special thing I saw there at that department store. So super happy to have it and talk about it in the near future. So that is my haul. In total, it's 8 fragrances, a bunch of samples. I'm not counting samples, but I do have a bunch of samples in there. So can't wait to do more content in the near future. I also got fragrances the day I left for the UK that I need to unbox too, do videos of that. So I have so much content coming in the near future. So can't wait to talk to you. This is Nubs Fragrance. Thanks so much for watching.